The BJP may disown the remarks, but perhaps the damage has already been done by the BJP MP Sakshi Maharaj, who, despite a clear ruling from the Supreme Court, seems to have taken the law into his own hands by suggesting that Muslims are responsible for India's population rise. The Supreme Court had ordered politicians not to seek votes in the name of religion, and FIR has now been filed.
देश में समस्याएं खड़ी हो रही जनसंख्या के कारण, उसके लिए हिंदू जिम्मेदार नहीं है। जिम्मेदार वो है जो 4 बीवी और 40 बच्चों की बात करते हैं। अब वहां 200 करोड़ पकड़े।
BJP MP Sakshi Maharaj stirring the communal pot while speaking on India's population problem at a public meeting in Meerut in poll-bound Uttar Pradesh. This comes 4 days after the Supreme Court warned politicians not to seek votes in the name of religion and held that anyone doing so will be unseated.
इस बात को लेके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
Hours later, the member of parliament stood by his remarks.
जमीन तो बढ़ नहीं रही, जमीन घट रही है और जनसंख्या बढ़ती चली जा रही है। वो औरत कोई मशीन नहीं है, इसलिए न 40 बीवी 40 बच्चे चलेंगे, न 3 तलाक चलेगा।
The MP from Unnao has made controversial remarks several times, from asking Hindu women to produce at least 4 children to protect the Hindu religion, to saying that no one can keep even a brick in the name of Babri Masjid in Ayodhya, and even claiming that Hindus are ready to kill to stop cow slaughter amid the Dadri mob lynching. His latest remarks come at a time when the model poll conduct is in place. The Election Commission has sought a report from the Meerut administration. The opposition wants strict action.
I think the Supreme Court order, recent order of treating as corrupt practices should be now considered suo motu by the Election Commission, and Shri Sakshi Maharaj should be dealt with iron hands by law enforcing agencies.
I do not want to comment on something as insensitive as this.
The BJP was quick to dismiss the MP's remarks, saying it's not the party line.
देश कानून से चलता है, ये देश संविधान से चलता है, डंडे से नहीं चलता। और इस तरह के जो बयान है, इस तरह के बयान को हम नहीं मानते कि ये सरकार का और न तो बीजेपी का, दोनों इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है।
Sakshi Maharaj's comments come during the BJP's two-day national executive, which ended with a call to make the surgical strikes as well as demonetization of the currency as the main election issue. But the parliamentarians' comments perhaps once again stirring the communal pot in a poll-bound state. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.